To fix your Galaxy Watch 8 Bluetooth connection issues, you can start doing these simple steps to fix it. First is you can do a quick fix. Power off and then on both your Galaxy Watch 8 and your phone. And ensure that the Bluetooth is on for both and keep them within 10 meters. Update the Galaxy wearable application, your phone's OS and the watch software. So make sure that everything is updated and also the proximity between the Bluetooth for these devices are close. Aside from that, you can do the repairing steps. On your phone, you can go to settings and then click the collections and then head to Bluetooth. Find your watch and select unpair or forget. And then on your phone, you can go to settings, head to apps, head to the Galaxy wearable, and then click the clear cache. And again, you can repair the device. Open the Galaxy wearable app and follow the prompts to add a new device. And that's how you can fix the Bluetooth connection field on Galaxy Watch 8, and thank you for listening.